Is your laptop getting unnecessarily hot? Does the fan make loud noises like a small aircraft preparing to take off? Does your laptop slow down after a few moments of use? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then your laptop fan may be clogged with dust. And in today's step-by-step practical guide, I will show you how to clean your laptop fan without damaging any internal components. It doesn't matter if you're a student, an office worker, a content creator, or a gamer. This simple maintenance procedure can improve cooling performance and also extend the lifespan of your laptop. Stay with me to the end because I will also review some common mistakes that destroy laptop fans and what professionals do differently. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up and turn on the notification button. Let's go fix your laptop fan. Before we start cleaning, let's understand why this maintenance is very important. The laptop fan is responsible for moving heat away from critical components such as the CPU, the motherboard, the chipset, the power management circuits. Over time, dust accumulates inside the cooling system and this causes reduced airflow, higher temperature, loud fan noise, system lagging, random shutdowns, reduced battery life, and permanent hardware damage. A dirty fan can raise laptop temperatures by 10 to 30 degrees Celsius or even more. But the good news is that cleaning your fan properly solves most of these problems. Before opening your laptop, gather these tools: small Phillips screwdriver, soft brush, compressed air can, microfiber cloth, anti-static wrist strap, this is optional, plastic pry tool, tweezers, flashlights, and containers for screw. Here are things that you shouldn't use: water, wet cloth, vacuum cleaner, metal objects, hair dryer. But before touching any internal laptop component, follow these safety precautions. 1. Shut down the laptop. Do not put it in sleep mode. Completely power it off. 2. Disconnect power. Remove charger, USB devices, external drives, memory cards. 3. Remove battery if possible. Older laptops usually allow battery removal. For modern laptops with internal batteries, disconnect the battery after opening the laptop. 4. Discharge static electricity. Touch a metal surface or use an anti-static wrist strap. Static electricity can damage motherboard components instantly. Let's look at how to clean a laptop without opening it. This method is ideal for beginners. Locate air vents. Most laptops have intake vents underneath, exhaust vents on the side or rear. Hold the fan still. This is extremely important. Never allow compressed air to spin the fan at high speed. Why? This is because the fan can generate electrical current and damage its control circuitry. Use a toothpick or plastic stick to gently hold the fan blades if visible. Apply compressed air. Use short bursts. Do not spray continuously. Work from intake vent, exhaust vent. You will see dust particles coming out. Repeat several times. Wipe the exterior. Use a microfiber cloth to clean the vents and surrounding areas. This method removes light dust buildup. However, for heavy dust accumulation, you will need to open the laptop. How to open the laptop for deep cleaning? Turn the laptop upside down. Locate all screws. Keep them organized because screw lengths may vary. Carefully remove the cover using a plastic pry tool. Avoid forcing it open. Inside, you will find cooling fan, heat sink, heat pipe. The fan is usually connected to the motherboard through a small cable. If your battery is internal, disconnect it before proceeding. This prevents accidental short circuits. Check fan blades, heat sink fins, air channels. Many laptops contain thick dust mats blocking airflow. These are often the main cause of overheating. Using a soft brush, gently remove dust from each blade. Do not bend the blades. Do not apply excessive pressure. The fan blades are delicate and can break easily. Hold the fan blades stationary. Apply short bursts of compressed air. Blow dust away from the fan blades, heat sink fins, air channels. Continue until no visible dust remains. The heat sink fins often collect most of the dust. Use a soft brush, compressed air. Remove every blockage carefully. Even a small dust layer can significantly reduce cooling efficiency. Gently spin the fan with your finger. The fan should rotate smoothly. Listen for grinding sounds, scraping noises, resistance. These signs may indicate fan wear. Here are some common mistakes that may damage laptop fan. 1. Spinning the fan with compressed air. This is one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. Always hold the blades still. 2. Using a vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaners generate static electricity. This can damage sensitive electronics. 3. Using liquids. Moisture can cause corrosion and short circuits. 4. Forcing connectors. Laptop connectors are fragile. Always disconnect cables gently. 5. Using excessive pressure. The motherboard and cooling systems are delicate. Be patient and gentle. How to reassemble laptop parts after cleaning. 1. Reconnect battery. 2. Replace bottom cover. 3. Reinstall screws. 4. Connect charger. 5. Power on laptop. Testing results. After cleaning, check if fan noise is reduced, airflow is stronger, laptop runs cooler, performance improves. You can monitor temperature using software tools like HW Monitor, Core Temp, HW Info. Compare temperature before and after cleaning. Many users notice immediate improvements. How often should you clean your laptop fan? For normal laptop users, clean every 6 to 12 months. If you use your laptop in a dusty environment, clean every 3 to 6 months. For gamers and content creators, clean every 3 to 4 months. Regular maintenance prevents overheating and costly repairs. Here is a bonus tip. Besides cleaning your fan, use a laptop cooling pad. Keep air vents unobstructed. Avoid using laptops on beds and pillows. Use BIOS and drivers. Replace thermal paste every few years if necessary. These practices can significantly improve cooling performance. And here you have it, a complete step-by-step guide on how to clean your laptop fan without damaging it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification so that you never miss any of our practical tech guides again. I'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.